Welcome back, guys, to this very unique challenge. I'm here with two beautiful, lovely participants. On my right, I have
Ashley.
On my left,
Trish.
yes. So basically, today's challenge is called baby food or shots. So basically, what we're gonna do is I'm going to feed them both some baby food, and they have to identify it. If they don't identify it, if they get it right, we'll move on to the question section. If they don't get it right, they have to take a shot. Now, when we move on to the question section, if you get the question right, then we move on. But if you get the question wrong, you have to take a shot. So yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so. Rum's a strong man.
Very.
See?
I hope this.
Hit it from the bottom.
No, but no, we're not that yet. Alright, so.
Who's going first?
I'll go first. Me? You're gonna make me go first?
First.
Yeah.
Alright.
First of all, it doesn't taste good. Can I get more than one taste?
No. Oh, we're supposed to work with some time, Time
Okay,
around.
so I'm gonna say banana.
You have to take a shot around.
God.
Oh God! Make sure it's not a big shot. Jesus.
Is it like a sip? This is the whole shot I have to
Yeah,
drink?
just drink everything.
Trisha, this man, he not throwing shots. He's making drinks. Oh God!
Your turn now,
I'm
go.
gonna
Lord.
die. Me?
Your turn.
Okay, damn it.
Ready?
Ugh.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Just relax and process it. No.
We said no. Okay, this is guava.
Around. Take a shot.
Where's the dot cup?
Ready?
This whole thing. Oh my God, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, it's still burning.
Mm-mm. Oh, stop. Mm-mm.
Alright, so guys, you guys just tasted pear.
I knew it. I was gonna
I
say
was
that
this
next.
close. No, for real though.
So I never said pear.
Because I felt banana-y, the texture.
Move
I
on
think
to
all
the
the
next one
textures are
then.
the same.
Ugh.
Oh, this is wrong.
Move on.
My stomach. I just spilled it.
You must be buying me KFC after this.
KFC one?
Yep.
Alright.
Barbecue.
Alright, so. Alright, ready?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't make sure taste it because come here taste.
I can't even follow it.
I was gonna say apple, but it's not apple.
I'm gonna say carrot.
Yeah, you're right.
I was?
Yeah.
I should take a shot. Hey.
Wait, we're going
Bye-bye.
against each other now?
It's a timer. Hello.
I didn't know we were going against each other.
Take your shot. Take your shot.
Take a
Take your shot.
Did you add more to this?
No, that's.
Oh!
Take a shot.
Alright, since we're going against each other. Wait, how's she gonna get it first?
Alright, you can get
You
yours
have to
first
count.
now.
No.
Yep.
What?
You have to count down. I'd be like, alright, 3, 2, 1, guess. Because if she take a spoonful first.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now, hold on.
Okay.
You don't get to guess though. You have to just hold it.
Alright, I'm gonna feed both of you guys, and then I'm gonna say the 3, 2, 1.
At the same time?
Yeah.
You're that talented?
Yeah.
Wow, that means you need to have twins.
Wanna give me twins?
Me!
Whoa!
Today's the day one of the date, so we're gonna have to just wait.
Whoa!
Okay, so.
tastes the same. That tastes just like the pear.
Really?
The shot
Something
tastes
wrong,
like.
something wrong with phone taste buds.
Clearly. Ooh.
Maybe it's the rum.
Mm-hmm.
Messing with me.
Probably the rum.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm so done with liquor after this.
Alright, so we got a 3 out of 5. Alright.
Here, let me take off my blindfold.
Need help? I've been going to the gym.
Oh yeah?
I do CrossFit.
Where is this? Is
Oh
this
yeah?
one? Gotcha.
Show that dude.
Yeah, it's like SpongeBob.
Let me see.
Wait. This one gets it. Watch this. Alright.
Alright, show that.
Alright, Trish, use the muscles. I don't hear no pop.
It's coming.
Ooh.
Trish have it, man.
Oh.
Alright.
Guns.
Ready?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
You next. Ready?
I know this.
I'm gonna say
3, 2, 1.
papaya.
June plum.
I said papaya.
You make June plum cream?
No, your flavor this, you know?
I got it?
No? Shots.
It's my flavor?
Yeah, wait.
Guava?
Yeah.
I meant guava.
I'm like June plum. I knew this. Ashley threw me off.
Me? I threw myself off.
Are you
Wait,
pouring
what?
for me?
Are you pouring
Yeah,
more?
no,
Don't pour
shots.
more. Is this my
But I
cup?
hear so much going in the cup.
Huh?
like-
No, because it's the same amount.
Yo, I can't believe I passed up the opportunity to say guava.
Yeah. You drink the shot already? You have to drink out everything. Yeah, it's a shot.
It's not a shot.
Then it's a what?
This is a, I don't freaking know what this
Come
is.
take the
This is
shot.
a drink.
I'm gonna get the
You
shot.
have to take your time easy. Easy.
Alright, so that's 4 out of 5.
I'm ready to get to 5 out of 5.
Alright.
That's you over there clapping, Ash?
Girl.
You know, I have a lot of respect for the people that are blind in the world because
Yeah, because right now you realize.
my life dark.
I have more respect for Sandra Bullock and her 2 kids that she carried down the river.
Who is that?
Bird Box.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it.
I haven't
I'm gonna
watched
watch
that
Bird
either.
Box. I don't know.
Alright,
Me
let me
either.
not spill it.
Now I'm opening all of them.
people tell me a little bit about it, but I
Alright.
watch it.
I don't know how you do this. Footsteps.
This one's hard. Yeah.
Give it to Trisha with her muscles again.
Yeah, I know. It's because you guys loosened up the other one.
Nah, pull.
Let me loosen it up before we get to Trisha again.
Alright, probably a sweep. Wipe up the whole bottle too.
Woo! Trish.
Baby food, them now pull.
This is Sila.
This one's not happening.
Yeah, the only man I can pull it aside.
That one's not happening today.
Okay, try a different
Can't
one.
believe I passed up. I'm going to dream about that tonight.
This one's supposed to be easy
Yeah.
To pull or to guess?
to guess.
It must be banana.
Right.
Oh yeah? Well, say banana then. Say banana then. You know the answer though, say that to me, say truth. I remember say, you want to take a shot and you want to shoot, take a shot. Alright, this is the competition, last one, this is the competition round. You know it, just hold it.
Okay.
I'm gonna say 1, then the answer, yeah.
I
I'm
might
gonna
be
say
wrong.
1.
Bet.
So, wait, so ready now?
We know this.
Ready? 3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
Banana. I said it first.
Shots.
Alright. Come, we're good. Alright.
Alright.
Oh, just must this one open.
Does it feel dark in there?
My eyes them closed, you know?
Trisha, open that.
Okay.
Use your muscles. Let me get started on the next one.
Why are these so hard?
What the heck?
Oh my god.
I broke them, you know.
Wow. Okay.
Alright.
I guess we'll start with this one.
I'm to the next one right now.
Yeah, you can go this. Let me see what else it is.
Okay.
Alright. Stronger than the bottom.
Here we
Strong
go.
arms.
Numero uno.
Open wide.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Yo, you really can't tell it is,
Yeah.
but
That was some hard taste, but pride.
yo,
Let me just put this shot. Sniff the shot.
this tastes like banana.
Shot,
Here you
shot,
go.
shot, shot, shot,
Drink
shot,
up.
shot, shot. Apple.
For real?
Yeah. Yeah. Lick your chest. Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Okay, ready for your next one?
Trisha, let me see.
There's no way he's gonna get that. Open
Your
wide.
turn. Here comes the airplane. Alright. 3,
I want that tongue, man.
3,
I want that tongue.
1.
This tastes like something tropical, like Papa and Ronaldo.
Go. What do you say? What is your final answer?
Why not?
What?
Huh?
What is your final answer?
Fruit punch.
Here you go.
Shot, shot, shot.
We like to call that one peach.
Peach.
Peach that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna need your strong arms again.
Let me see your shot.
Ooh.
Oh, don't you worry. You hear that shot?
Yo, wanna tell what them I do? I couldn't want drunk now.
No, at 1 I have to open before I leave here. Else obviously I have to cancel my
Yo,
gym
5
membership.
days now, me I drink, you know.
Same.
5 days straight now, me I drink. I need to stop.
Yeah, no, these are hard.
Ooh.
Alright, you
Don't have to
this.
cancel the gym
You
membership.
got this one?
Oh, you got. All right, you can do yours first.
Alright. And then try and pull out there. Okay, ready? We'll give you a good serving.
Is it your shirt? Let me see.
How about that?
You tell me.
Lord. Lord. How about that?
You tell us. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme.
If I'm a banana, apple. If I'm an apple,
No. Final.
Here.
What's your final
One
answer?
answer.
Drink, drink, drink up, bottoms up, bottoms up.
Just done that cup. Why is that
Okay,
got
got
this
you.
open?
So I'll wipe off this one.
You wanna know what it was? Tropical fruits, meaning it's a variety of pineapple, papa, and peach.
Right. We'll save this one for last. Alright, so this one is next. Get your taste buds ready.
You hear that?
Why you throw so much? Drunk them one, drunk me out.
Here we go. Here comes the blood. I'll give you a hint. This
No,
one-
Yeah,
you
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
give us a hint.
No,
No,
not
no,
a
no,
hint with
no.
no, but this one has two fruits. So guess what?
You have to guess the both.
That's in there.
A joke thing.
That is your hint.
So I think we guess one fruit.
Nope.
No, but not for be fair. So me not.
All
Okay,
right,
fine.
Here's one fruit. Yeah, take half a shot.
Mango carrot. I eat though.
Half a shot.
All right, let me pour you half a shot.
No, have a shot for it.
You get one right.
No.
You get one right.
Alright.
This one was carrot and orange.
You see how he saved this one for himself?
Naranja. How you say carrot in Spanish? Zana.
The last one is no right.
Yes.
Open one.
If you don't get this one, you have to drink off the rest of the rain.
the bottle.
No.
This one easy.
No.
Why?
Easy. This one
You're
easy.
gonna do a lot. You can't mess that up.
It's taste bad.
Come, wait.
You know that taste.
All right.
You know that taste. It tastes like.
Like you taking a shot.
That's what it tastes like, Ray nephew.
It tastes like.
Like this shot.
Yeah, idiot. It tastes like. Well, want to take shot.
I show the people what it is.
It tastes like
Focus.
It tastes like.
Like this red nephew. Here you go.
It tastes like some potassium.
You are my fruit.
That banana! Time to get.
You gave him a hint.
Me want my fruit.
You gave him a hint. So you know who takes the shot now?
Alright.
You.
You.
Cause you gave him a hint.
You.
Throw it back.
Come, take the shot. You.
No.
Take the shot.
Come, let's take it together.
Oh.
Oh. I don't speak French. Alright.
Alright, so I guess I'm here.
Excuse me.
We'll never identify on a phone one.
Yes.
Which one identify?
I just didn't say
Pear.
guava at the right time. Oh, she did get pear.
It's Thai.
Oh, it's a
Sweetie.
mere time.
Yeah.
Ain't no tie. I gave you that one.
No, but well, she had a loser then because she never hit it.
So that means she finished this shot.
Oh,
She finished the shot.
Here you go. That banana.
I'm gonna die.
You finish the
Okay.
shot. She
One.
look nice over there. She look nice.
Happy New Year.
This is not a shot.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
This is like, this could fill up this
No,
table.
no.
You can either finish that or eat a whole.
Yeah, I eat a whole.
Give me the banana.
No, you don't get to pick the flavor. We picked the
No,
flavor.
we pick
Hell
the
no.
flavor. No.
Hell no. Trisha, I saw ya,
No, we
brother.
pick the flavor.
Prune.
Oh! No.
Hey,
No,
yeah.
but give me the
Shot or
banana.
prune.
Give me the banana.
Shot or prune?
Right, dog, give me the banana.
Shot or prune?
Dog.
1,
Shot
2,
or prune?
3.
Give me the shot.
Just throw it back or throw the prune back.
Yo, man, nice as fuck. Oh, she didn't even know.
Now she covered her nose.
Where you go over your nose for?
Because it helps with the taste, like
No, just shut it, man.
the sense and the.
Alright, just lock off your breath.
Or prune.
Lock off your nostrils.
You couldn't give me the banana, Trisha.
No, prune.
Alright, I'm gonna wait for right back. Stay together.
Yeah, So yeah, that's just the first challenge. Now we're gonna move on to the questions.
Wait, and that requires shots too?
Yeah,
Oh, there's no more rum.
there's no more rum. Alright, so I gotta ask some questions. Rum done, people. So
Yes.
we're gonna ask some questions.
What's the best lyric you've ever used on a girl?
When you told me my feet were pretty?
No.
Or do you want to have my twins?
That was a good one.
That was mine.
I mean, I'm not really lyrics girls still, but guys, you know. Just be natural, you know, but just, you know, come off, you know, I'm gonna tell her straight, you know, if you're beautiful, you know. I like your smile, I like your style, I like your smile, you know. Yeah, so that's the thing, set a Z.
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite type of underwear for women to wear?
Alright, I'm gonna tell you what me like. I like, you know, the mesh underwear they wear when it, you know, on the body jar, it just come up like a bit of the body jar.
That's
and
cheeky.
cheeky.
Yes.
Yeah, I like them cheeky one. Yeah. The cheeky one, the sexy one, you know. Ah, pop the body jar.
Okay.
Yeah. Them like.
Goodbye.
Yeah, I like, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
No. Worse if you ask fat man and thing. If you ask slim man, no, you know. Me still work with it same, you know.
All right.
Yeah.
Breast or butt?
Breast or butt. I mean, you know, I'm not really fancy the butt thing, but you know, you go with the breast thing, kind of like.
You don't like more cushion for the cushion?
Eh? Yeah. No. You never depend that. But I like breast, man. I like stiff breast, I like long breast, I like big breast, I like small breast.
Me enjoy my Julie Mango.
All type of breasts. All type of breasts.
Anybody want some mango?
I just said
What's the dirtiest thought you ever had about a total stranger like me?
Like you? It does not say like you.
Yeah, that's it.
Pull back up the question.
No, that's it.
Pull back up the question.
That's what it said.
It does not say like you.
You can't answer the question.
Pull back up the question.
No, alright. What's the dirtiest thought? Alright, may I be general because probably no one talk about me then, but what's the dirtiest thought you ever come to your mind about me?
This is just established.
I can't believe the rum done.
About you?
Yeah.
The dirtiest thought?
Mm.
I don't trust coolie people. That's about it.
That's not a dirty thought.
That's my dirty thought. Your turn, Ash.
Why you don't trust coolie people? I mean a coolie, me a black man. What's your dirtiest thought? You eat your thing. Yeah, boy. You know. But yeah. I mean, I enjoy the challenge.
That's fun.
It was a fun challenge. I hope you guys love this challenge. I mean, right now I'm kind of nice now. Is it? Not nice, but you know, just the vibe and thing and the challenge and thing. And guys, just comment and tell me which other challenge you would like me to see.
Yo, I'm putting that at the front of the video. Comment. And what
guys, comment and tell me what you'd like me to
what
do.
challenge you want me to do next?
Alright, comment and tell them what challenge you'd like me to do next, alright? So just do that. Remember to like, subscribe and share, alright? And we had fun. I mean, you guys can try this at home. It's a very cool challenge and thing, you see me? I mean, tell them how we meet and thing.
Oh.
Walking out the tax office. I'm here.
Excuse me, lady.
Not again. I can't handle no more lyrics. No more lyrics.
My lyrics not from there.
What?
From the minute we touch.
See that? The king get them for little challenges easy. So you must know. So make sure it's on the like and subscribe and share to that video. You see me I say? We out here. Yeah.
Free Gaza.
That's good.
Unruly, Miss Sandy.